What is this interconnection? This sacred connection is the interplay between the divine creator and the mother aspect, an energetic bridge that transcends the boundaries of your individual soul. It links you to the greater soul of the planetary divine and the infinite multiplicity of who you are becoming. One of Morrnah's greatest missions was to offer a technique to help you remember your true identity. That remembrance begins with a deeper relationship to the Divine Mother, both within you and in the world around you. At birth, you emerge from the physical womb, yet symbolically you remain within the womb of Mother Earth. You are not separate. You are an extension of the whole, intricately woven into the living fabric of all creation. The elements that make up your body are found not only in the periodic table of earthly matter, but also in the sacred architecture of the cosmos. This interplay is honored in every step of the Ho'oponopono process, which reveres the infinite divine, the nurturing feminine, and the living essence of Mother Nature. This maternal force takes form in goddesses such as Pele, Hina, Shakti, Mother Mary, and many other feminine avatars across cultures. The connection between Creator and Mother is not merely symbolic, it is active, alive, and threaded through every soul, forming the collective heart of the planetary divine. Just as you are evolving, so too is the mother aspect of the infinite divine. Morrnah knew that reconnecting to this sacred presence was essential. Her work invites us to awaken to this feminine intelligence that flows through all life, guiding us back to our wholeness. Ancient traditions understood this. Without the presence of the mother, the power to create, nourish, and sustain life would falter. Yet in our modern material-driven world, these teachings have often been dismissed or forgotten. Reclaiming them, through the practices Morrnah shared, restores the balance and reawakens the sacred truth. We are never separate, but always intimately connected to the divine source and the maternal spirit of the earth itself. One could say the very first step of our prayer is to approach divine love with an open heart, aloha mai ka ko, releasing ignorance, control, and the background data that runs in us. We are willing participants, asking forgiveness for our blindness, for having somehow forgotten our true nature, the inner knowing that we are never alone and are not separate from the wholeness of divinity. We are one with our Father, Divine Creator, God, the All, and the Mother, fully united as one, allowing the divine thread to connect us as a triplicity, above and below, within and without.